Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Aneja. And well, let's focus on the primary markets today. And the company in focus is Landmark Cars, a leading premium automotive retail business in India with dealerships for Mercedes-Benz, Honda, Jeep, Volkswagen, and Renault. The company is all set to make its debut on the Lal Street today. And to discuss the company's business model and growth outlook, I'm going to be joined by a very special guest today. We have with us Sanjay Thakker, who is the chairman at Landmark Cars Limited. Thank you so much, Mr. Thakker, for joining us here on Business Today Television.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Tanya. Good to be there.
Absolutely. So, for the benefit of our viewers, could you please share the details of your business and give us a larger sense of your work that you do?
Yeah, I think everybody in their daily lives have a kind of experienced auto dealerships, except that this is the first time that it is going to be that they will be looking at it from a investor's eye. It is such a simple business to understand. It is such a compounding business. It is such a good business that it looks very simple. What is it that we do? We sell cars. We make money when there is a commission on cars. There is a insurance commission, there is a finance commission, there is accessories that we sell, and then there is a annuity type of a business that we create, the after sales business. Most of or practically all the cars that we sell come in for service to us for the next 6-7 years, and it includes the accident repairs, the periodic maintenance, general repairs, and you have a whole business model which is very robust with a great ROC and a cash generating business.
Okay, absolutely. And the IPO consisted of a fresh issue of shares up to 150 crore rupees and an OFS of up to 402 crore rupees. So 150 crore rupees will be coming to the company. So how is that going to be utilized?
So we have a decent amount of working capital loans. As at Landmark, we do not have any meaningful long-term debt. So whatever working capital loans that we have, that is to buy vehicles, keep them in stock, and some spare parts, those loans will be repaid. With the high rising interest rates, this saving is going to be a little more than what we thought. Practically, entire money that we have raised will be to repay our working capital loans.
Okay, absolutely. And what kind of growth are you looking at going forward? And what would be the key growth triggers?
So the Indian story seems to have just begun. I mean, we have grown this year as an industry. We have grown this year as a company, and this is at the back of some shortage situation that we, with the whether it was the chip, whether it was the Ukraine war, that is what we know. For say Mercedes-Benz, where we are their largest partners, 1 in 6 Mercedes sold is by Landmark. The company will report its highest ever sales and highest ever back orders. Close to 5 months of orders is what we are sitting on. With the improved supplies next year, I am hoping that this will have a meaningful impact in what we do. The first quarter is what we have reported. The year that will come by will have a significant growth, and the year after that, it's going to be a bumper year. We see it coming.
Absolutely. And also, Mr. Thakker, profitability is something that your company has achieved. So would you be able to sustain that going forward? And what are your plans as far as the profitability is concerned?
So the good part of the first quarter, that is Jan, Feb, March of the calendar year 2023 is ahead of us. We will start delivering cars like the BYD, the Atto 3, which we hasn't seen any sale till now. We are sitting on good amount of back orders over there. So that will start, the deliveries will start. The after sales business, which has been compounding for us at 20% CAGR year on year. Last year, we did around 107 crores of EBITDA in after sales alone. Now, this is a business which has been compounding at 20% or more every year. Now, this is something which will keep on happening. And the car sales, which is going up, the average selling price, which is going up, will have a significant impact on what we do. And we believe that by 2024, our profits will be, I'll be disappointed if it is anything less than double of what we did last year.
Okay, absolutely. And lastly, any acquisitions that you plan to do and your message for all your retail investors?
So I thank the 60,000 retail investors. This is a new kind of business. Though you may have seen it, experienced it as a consumer, as an investor, you haven't seen and experienced it. World over, auto dealership chains have created enormous amount of wealth for its investors. So this is something. The message is that be patient, believe in India, and if India were to grow, auto industry will grow, premiumization will happen, and Landmark will grow and deliver.
Okay, absolutely. And on that wonderful note, thank you so much, Mr. Thakker, for joining us here on Business Today Television, and all the very best for upcoming quarters as well.
Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.